This is Fibonacci. He was originally called Leonardo of Pisa. He is the creator of the Fibonacci sequence and was a very good mathematician. Let's start off with how the Fibonacci sequence works. Here, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 8 equals 13, and so on. All you do is plus the number and the number before it, and then repeat. Here, I'll do it again. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 8 equals 13, and so on. The Fibonacci sequence is often used in nature. Look, here is a flower. This flower has exactly 13 petals, 13 being a Fibonacci number. There again, we have it in the growth of a plant. 1 leaf plus 1 leaf equals 2 leaves. 2 leaves plus 3 leaves equals 5 leaves. 5 leaves plus 8 leaves equals 13. And look, there is 13 flowers. Here is the Fibonacci sequence again. This time it's square numbers. Let's look at the first few square numbers. 1 squared equals 1. 1 squared again equals 1. 2 squared equals 4. 3 squared equals 9. 5 squared equals 25, and so on. It's no surprise that when you add consecutive Fibonacci numbers, you get the next Fibonacci number. But you wouldn't expect something special to happen when you add the squared numbers. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 9 equals 13. And 9 plus 25 equals 34. 2, 5, 13, and 34 are all Fibonacci numbers. And yes, the pattern continues. Here's another one. Let's add the first few squared numbers. 1 plus 1 plus 4 equals 6. Add 9 is 15. Add 25 is 40. Add 64 is 104. Look at those numbers. They aren't Fibonacci numbers. Look at them closely, and you'll see them buried inside. You see it? I'll show it to you. 6 is 2 times 3. 15 is 3 times 5. 40 is 5 times 8. And 104 is 8 times 13. Now why should the squares of 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8 add up to 8 times 13? Here we have two 1 by 1 squares. Beneath that there's a 2 by 2 square. And next to that a 3 by 3 square. Beneath that a 5 by 5 square. And then an 8 by 8 square, creating one giant rectangle. Let me ask you a question. What is the area of this square? There's two ways of calculating the area. The first is just the sum of the boxes inside. The other is to times the height by the base. The height is clearly 8, and the base is 5 plus 8, which is 13. So the area is 13 times 8. So that's why squared numbers of 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8 equal 13 times 8. This rectangle also creates a spiral, which is shown a lot in nature. For example, a sunflower, or a shell, The Fibonacci sequence influences us a lot in modern times, as it is everywhere. It's even on your food. And it's even on some of your computers.